you know what? You tell me which dish to cook, I can magically do it. I make the best red sauce pasta ever. 1.5 years back, I just knew how to boil water. I think one thing that's changed after getting the appliance is कि हर दिन कुछ नया बनता है और बहुत आसान है. Hi, my name is Shreyas and I'm from Bangalore. I've been using the appliance from almost 1.5 years and I think one thing that's changed after getting the appliance is कि हर दिन कुछ नया बनता है. पूरा instructions तो यही पे है तो it's like just click करो, देखो और डाल दो and the dish is ready. I made paneer stir fry and I had no clue what that food is. None of them at home also knew what that is, right? We've never tasted that. So it was very simple, very easy in fact. So we were very skeptical क्योंकि यार machine बना रहा है खाना, how will it even taste? But to our surprise it was very tasty. Like, but when my parents tasted it, again they were like पता नहीं था ऐसा चपाती के साथ इतने सारे dishes भी बन सकते हैं क्योंकि we're a very South Indian family, right? We just eat South Indian food, South Indian curries. So now having this opportunity or this barrier broken जहाँ पे हम North Indian food भी हर दिन बना सकते हैं और खा भी सकते हैं, I think that was fantastic. उस पनीर stir fry के बाद we knew कि अब we had to try a few more dishes out. The family is very huge fan of pav bhaji and we always have it at hotels because we don't know how to make it and the process is very tiresome, right? So we saw that on the appliance, we tried that and we were blown away with the taste. एक funny चीज़ ये था कि instructions में it was like पुदीना और coriander डालने का था. I didn't know what was पुदीना or coriander. I'm like clicking photos and sending it to the team to figure out what am I supposed to put. And everyone around me was just looking at me and they were surprised कि भाई इसको कुछ भी नहीं आता. Coming from that place and if I tell these folks who are looking at me, I can cook the kind of food that you cannot, they would be surprised. I think that is this power that I got. It's like, you know what, I have this fancy machine, fancy AI cooking machine called Appliance that automatically makes food on its own. And the constant messages, like the replies I get is, oh, that's crazy, but can it cook biryani? I'm like, yeah, it can cook. Can it make, cookie dough? I'm like, yeah, it can do that. Can it make Kadhai Paneer or, paneer butter masala? I'm like, yeah, dude, you just tell me what you want me to make, I'm going to do that.